Guys, nakuha natin yung deal. What's up guys? Another day, another dollar. Samahan nyo ako today. Punta tayo sa bangko. We're gonna get a drop check para dun sa bago nating property na bibilin. And then we're gonna visit 2 leads today. And hopefully we get one under contract for a good price. And then we are wholesaling another deal today. So it's gonna be a busy day. So come with me and let's do some work. Guys, we finally got our drop check. It is. There it is. So now we're gonna go to see my lead. Let's go. Guys, nakuha natin yung deal. Nag-agree yung seller dun sa offer ko. So ang next step, maghanap ngayon tayo ng buyer na bibili nung deal na nakuha natin ngayon. And then we can make our money. So let's go! Umuwi muna ako para mag-lunch at para makita tong balanta. Tsaka yun, no? Hi!
Baba!
Guess who decided to join us today? Coming with me? Papunta na kami dito sa branch sa isa kong lead. So, yeah, I'm with Alice. See if we get this deal. Go pet, Boba. Oh. We are all done dito sa lead ko. Hindi ko siya nakuha yet kasi wala dito yung wife nung owner. So pagka gumagawa ko ng deal, gusto ko parehong owner is kaharap ko para walang, you know, question afterwards. But yeah, good job Kuya Alice.